In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do your trade with the BG Wealth opportunity. It's very simple. So first thing, we're going to go over here. We're going to check the bond chat. This is where you get the trade signal from the professor. We're just going to copy that. And we're going to come back over here, click on futures. We'll load up for a second. We're going to go over to invited me. We're going to paste the code and we're going to hit confirm. It's going to say we already followed the order. We're going to look at the position order. All right, it's going to should be saying pending. That means that the trade has now been placed. All right, let's go over to assets. You can see I currently have $1,136.57 in my trade account. All right, so and it's really that simple. Like I said, y'all, this opportunity is amazing. So every day this trades are compounding, and like I said, you can start off with $1,000. I've had really successful trades in the 24 trades that I've done. But yeah, if you started today, right, you would have in 90 days about $3,000, in 1 year about 93K. You can even start with $500, right? 90 days, $1,500. It just depends what you want to do, right? 1,500, 3,058, or 15,000. Wherever you want to start, you can start. You can even start with lower than that, $300. The point is to get started, because now that the trade is in there, this account is going to go. This account is going to grow, and it's been growing. And I'm going to show y'all here too. So quick refresh. I know the trade hasn't hit yet. We got the future still pending. So now we're going to go to historical orders. As you can see, hitting $7. So like I said, it's going to compound and continue to grow. You get 2 trade signals a day. And yeah, here's my copy in history. Made $126. I've done 24 trades and my winning rate is 100%. 100%. So we'll go ahead and we'll wait a few minutes, and then when we come back, I'll show you if my trade was successful again, and we get trade number 25. But yeah, BG Wealth is a great opportunity. And like I said, y'all, if you're ready to get started, in BG Wealth, we have our Sparta Nation. Come join our Sparta Nation, man. Awesome team. And just to show y'all one more thing real quick. All right, let's go over to the calculator so you can see. On average, we make about 1.25% per day. So we are currently 351 days from Christmas. So if you started today and you put $1,000 in there, by Christmas you would have 78,000. You can see there, end date December 25th, 2026. That's if you didn't take no profit out the whole year. Let's say you did $500. Calculate. Oh, you're gonna have about almost $40,000, almost 40,000 by Christmas of 2026. Let's try $300. You will have about 23,000 just taking 2 trade signals a day that I've already showed y'all how to do. It's really that simple. So when we come back, I'll show y'all that the trade has gone through, whether it's successful or not. Hey, it's too easy to trade. It's no more excuses. All right, y'all, let's go back into the DSJ exchange to see if our trade is successful. So we're gonna go to futures. Look at historical orders. You can see here today's date, January 8th, 2026. Alright, and yeah, we just made another $6.84. 11.36, so they traded $11.36, which is 1% of our total assets in our trade account. And now you see our trade account is now 1143, and that's it. And now we wait to our next trade signal, which is going to come in at around 7:30 p.m. So that's it. 2 trades a day, and that's it. You just wait and make the profits. You go back over to the futures, and let's look at invited me, copy in history. Now we got 25. There you go. Numbers is growing 2 times a day. And like I said, as this trade account grows, it's going to continue to compound, and it's really that easy. It's that easy.